Tell me, Arunkumar.
Sir, first of all, I would like to compliment you are our inspirational leader. That I've seen many insights from you. Sir, we are putting so much of initiatives, but at the grassroots level, do you think each and every family members and individuals are able to understand your efforts? That has to be reached, because you are talking about satisfaction index where you stand 65%. I want to make it 100.
Now 73%, 72%.
Yes.
We are reaching now. I want to reach this year 80%. As you rightly mentioned,
Yes, sir.
even including you, I don't know what is your position.
No, I am from VIT Amravati, sir. Yeah.
VIT Amravati.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is busy. What government is doing, you are unable to understand and utilize, or how to do government, you are not in a position to contribute. You are a academic institution.
Yes.
That is where I am saying everybody is expecting what nation has given to me, what you have to give me. What I have to contribute for the nation, nobody is thinking. That is the biggest challenge for all of us. For common man empowerment, if you realize this, even you are also common man till yesterday, now you got an opportunity to run an institution, that is VIT. Common man is not aware of all these things. He is ignorant.
Yes.
He is not following. Morning to evening he is busy. Even if you tell, he may not understand. But how to make him to realize? Even 8% of population are not having connectivity. That means bandwidth. Some people are not having smartphone, not even phone. These are all the things, how to reach over a period of time, that is important. It is a continuous process according to me. I am talking, going on meetings, I am talking. Slowly it will percolate. It will trickle down. The day will come, there is a feel-good factor that you have to keep it in mind. Ambedkar has given only one thing. For every citizen, only one vote. Women or men, weaker section or richest or billionaire also is having only one vote. Even poorest man is having one vote. That common sense is working. Even common people are having a feel-good factor. Yes, this government is doing well. This government is not doing well. This functionary is not doing well. We are thinking we are intelligent, nobody knows. Everybody, people are watching. At least that ecosystem players, they are all aware. That is what I want to say.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.